This is the question 1b. Define Faraday's law of induced EMF. And the continuation of the questions is, what is transformer EMF and explain. What is motional EMF and explain. These questions are given in set 1, set 2, set 3, 4 marks, April, May 2007. So these three articles are continuous articles, continuity articles. Faraday's law. First we define Faraday's law. So then transformer EMF and then motional EMF. Let us see first 1b. So what is Faraday's law? Faraday's law. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induced EMF. So for example, let us take a conductor in the form of a loop. Let us place a galvanometer or ammeter here. If you move a magnet, because initially you can observe there is no voltage or current in this loop. If you take a magnet, so this magnetic flux, this magnet produces magnetic flux like this. This magnet produces magnetic flux like this. Once this conductor cuts this magnetic flux, a current starts flowing in this loop. Because of this current, there will be an induced EMF in this loop. If you move the magnet like this, so then this conductor cuts this magnetic flux. Because of cutting this magnetic flux, a current starts flowing in this loop. Because of this current, there will be an EMF induced in this circuit. So therefore, what you can say that, for example, if this circuit consisting of n turns, what is Faraday's law states that the EMF stands for electromotive force. The EMF induced in any closed circuit, is equal to time rate of change of flux linkage, the time rate of change of flux linkage by that circuit. Very simple definition. So the EMF induced in any closed circuit is equal to time rate of change of flux linkage by these circuits. So this is written as the EMF induced in any closed circuit is equal to minus n into d phi by dt. So this is Faraday's law equation. Where n is the number of turns of the coil. Here phi is magnetic flux. N is equal to number of turns of the coil. The negative sign is according to Lenz law, which states that the induced EMF opposes the flux producing it. This is what you have to write. The negative sign here is according to Lenz law. So what Lenz law states that the induced EMF opposes the flux producing this EMF. So this is called as Lenz law. So this is what you have to write about Faraday's law. Very simple equation. EMF is equal to minus n into d phi by dt. What is Faraday's law? The EMF induced in any closed circuit is equal to time rate of change of flux linkage by this circuit. So based on this, the EMF induced are classified into two types. Number one, transformer EMF. First one is called as transformer EMF. For example, if you consider a stationary loop like this, if you consider a loop like this, consisting of a resistor R, if you place this loop in a time varying magnetic field, if you place this loop in a time varying magnetic field, this is represented as B of t. B of t, what you have to clearly write here, this is a stationary loop. This is stationary loop, that this loop is constant, the loop is not moving. Stationary loop, clearly observe that this is time varying magnetic field, that is magnetic field is varying with time. Time varying magnetic field. Very simple definition. The EMF induced in the stationary loop in a time varying magnetic field, because when the loop is placed in a time varying magnetic field, the EMF is induced. So therefore the EMF induced in the stationary loop in a time varying magnetic field is called as transformer EMF. So therefore what is the definition? The EMF, the electromotive force induced in a stationary loop, in a time varying magnetic field, is called transformer EMF. Is called as transformer EMF. Very simple definition. The EMF induced in a stationary loop in a time varying magnetic field is called as transformer EMF. So from Faraday's law, what we can write is that from Faraday's law we have this statement. What is EMF induced? Simple equation, minus N into d phi by dt. So if circuit consisting of one term, so that is N is equal to 1, then the EMF induced is written as minus d phi by dt. So we further simplify this equation as V EMF. So that is written as the EMF induced in the closed loop, which is written as E dot dl, because E, electric field intensity, is volt per meter into meter. Meter gets cancelled, we get voltage. So therefore due to this, minus d by dt of the magnetic flux through the surface. The magnetic flux through the surface is written as B dot ds. The magnetic flux through the surface is written as B dot ds. Now take this equation. Take this equation up. So what is this equation? V EMF is equal to closed line integration of E dot dl. So that is equal to minus d by dt of magnetic flux through a surface is written as B dot ds. Applying Stokes theorem, very very important. Applying Stokes theorem. What is the first letter? The first letter of Stokes theorem is S. So that is Stokes theorem converts, applying Stokes theorem to line integral. That is, the Stokes theorem converts single integral, line integral, to double integral, surface integral. Very very important. The first letter is single. S means single, single to double, line integral to surface integral. So therefore this equation is written as V EMF is equal to closed line integration of E dot dl. If you apply Stokes theorem to this, we have to take del cross E dot ds. Applying Stokes theorem, we have to take curl of this quantity del cross E dot ds. If you take this d by dt inside, so this is written as minus dou b by dou t dot ds. So if you take d by dt inside, it will get partial differentiation. So therefore this is very very important equation. This equation is called as Maxwell's third equation. This is called Maxwell's third equation. Maxwell's third equation in integral form. Derived from which law? Derived from Faraday's law. If you compare the surface integrals, if you compare these two surface integrals, this is equal to minus dou b by dou t. So therefore by comparing surface integrals, surface integrals. What we can write? We can write del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Very, very important relation. Del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. So this is called as third Maxwell's equation in differential form or point form. Third Maxwell's equation in differential or point form. Very, very important equations. This is what you have to write under transformer EMF. The second kind of EMF is motional EMF. What is the second kind of EMF? Motional EMF, or the other name of motional EMF is flux cutting EMF. So what is this heading? The motional EMF is also called as flux cutting EMF. The name itself indicates motional EMF. Motion means the loop is moving in a stationary magnetic field. For example, if you take a loop like this, if this loop is moving in the magnetic field, stationary magnetic field, what you have to write? The magnetic field is not B of T. The magnetic field is stationary, that is constant. The magnetic field is stationary, and the loop is moving, as motional indicates. Loop is moving. Therefore, in this case, the EMF induced in a moving loop in a stationary magnetic field is called as motional EMF. So what is the motional EMF? The EMF induced in a moving loop, in a stationary magnetic field, the induced in a moving loop in a stationary magnetic field is called motional EMF. Very, very simple definition, motional EMF. So this is what you have to write, motional EMF. So here we write one point here. The transformer EMF formula is when we use solving the problems, the transformer EMF formula is this formula. So this formula is transformer EMF formula. So that is surface integration of minus dou B by dou T dot ds. We use this formula when finding out transformer EMF. Very, very important formula. You remember this formula, transformer EMF formula, very simple formula. Coming to motional EMF formula, if charge Q is moving with velocity u in magnetic field B, so what is with a charge Q, that means if you take a charge Q is moving with velocity u in a magnetic field B, the force experienced by this charge, the charge Q is moving with velocity u in a magnetic field. What is this formula? QU cross B. So this is the force experienced by a charge Q moving with velocity u in a magnetic field. Now let us define here the motional electric field as, let us define the motional electric field as E suffix m. Motional electric field, M indicates motional electric field. What is this definition? Force per unit charge is electric field. So Fm by Q. If you bring this Q this side, so it will become Fm by Q is equal to U cross B. Fm by Q is equal to, so that is Em. So now the motional EMF, very, very simple formula. So that is equal to, again, the closed loop integration of EM dot dl. Same formula. What is EM here? U cross B. So that is equal to U. That is equal to closed line integration of what is EM? U cross B dot dl. So this is the motional EMF formula. Very, very important formula. Motional EMF formula. So this is what you have to write for this question. Faraday's law, transformer EMF, transformer EMF, transformer EMF formula, surface integration of minus dou v by dou t dot ds, motional EMF formula is closed line integration of u cross b dot dl. So this is very, very important question. Thank you.